curlies, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. In today's video, I'll be showing you all my wash day routine from the pre-poo process to the deep conditioning process. I will be doing a review of the CurlSmith Food for Curls Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. And I believe the whole line is just like curl quenching and stuff like that. So I'll be starting off with the co-wash, of course. And I've been using these products for a while now and kind of fell in love with them. So this is what the whole family has started using now. But so far I've been loving it. This is a twist out that's like 2 weeks old, I believe, and it's still pretty defined, pretty curly. I just, hadn't washed my hair yet. But I started to wash my hair in 4 sections, and that's because after my silk press, I realized I have a lot more hair than I really realized. So I had to go ahead and start breaking it down into more sections. And I actually got the idea from I Am Treya to start pre-pooing my hair, but I also got it from when I got my hair silk pressed because she detangled my hair first, and the process was so much smoother. So I was like, you know what? I need to start doing that at home. I'm gonna start off by using my spray bottle to just wet my hair so I can part it down the middle so my parts can be proper. Now that my hair is parted into 4 sections and I twisted them up, and I'm going to keep my hair twisted throughout this entire process, honestly. Even when I get into the shower, when I wash each section, when I twist it back up, and when I get out of the shower, I'm still going to have my hair twisted because it just seems to make the process 1,000 times easier and my hair stays detangled. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle the back sections of my hair, and then when I get to the front, I will show you how I do that process. The back 2 sections of my hair have been properly detangled, so I'm not going to do the front 2 sections so y'all can see exactly what I do. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle, and I love this spray bottle because it does not waste any water, and it's like exact precision. Okay. I take my very wide tooth comb. I start at my end. Just work my way up. This side is tangled. I can run my finger straight through it. And once I get in the shower to start washing my hair, the process will go so much faster because I don't have to sit there, try to detangle my hair and make sure I'm cleansing it well. I can just go section by section, and get it done quickly. I don't normally wash my hair in the shower, but for the purpose of this video, I want to show you. But you just do the exact same thing if you use your sink, which is what I normally would do. Alright, let's hop in the shower. I start off by taking down 1 twist at a time. Then I wet my hair. I go in with the co-wash by CurlSmith, and I just kind of comb that into my hair. And then eventually I'll rub my scalp a little bit, just to give it a slight massage instead of digging my fingers into it. And then I go into the prayer hands method, which I have found to be my saving grace, and making sure I apply product all over my hair. Once I finish applying the product to 1 section, I'll go ahead and twist it back up, and then I'll kind of do like a Bantu knot type thing and clamp it out of the way, and then move on to the next section. This helps to keep my hair detangled throughout the entire process. When I finish applying the product to all of my sections, I go back into the section that I started with first and begin to rinse the product out of my hair. And don't forget to make sure you twist your hair back up even after this step. Just look at my curls. I do an extra rinse of my whole head to make sure I washed everything out. Next, I apply the Double Cream Deep Quencher Deep Conditioner to my hair, and I just kind of comb that into my hair as well with my fingers, and then of course I go in and do the prayer hands. Once I'm done, I twist my hair back up in each section, I put my shower cap on, complete my shower, and then rinse out the product. All of the deep conditioner has been washed out of my hair, and the oil and cream and the curl souffle has been applied to my hair. The only major changes that I made was the pre-pooing before I even wash my hair, which helps with the tangling throughout the entire wash day process. So I no longer have to continue to detangle my hair once I'm done the first time. That's it. My hair just does amazing after that. I now section my hair into 4 instead of just down the middle because it's easier to make sure that I'm covering all of my hair and all of my hair strands are getting love. And I no longer massage my scalp because I realized that during the wash process, when I would massage my scalp, that was making my hair tangle back up. So I just stopped doing it completely. So you see that I switched over to doing the praying hands method when I'm applying the products to my hair to make sure that I'm getting from roots to ends. But other than that, the only other change is the products that I use, which is the CurlSmith line now. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And I will be sure to link the spray bottle that I use below and the CurlSmith products that I use below as well. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye, Curly.